I will basically add anybody on Facebook, but over the years, due to certain happenings and the things that certain individuals have been and is doing, I kind of have to inspect your profile first before I add you, because you have some people on the social media network here we feel like say they have to add any and everybody. But let me tell you the same thing. Me nah add you. I will not add you if you see if you know the profile pic, me nah add you. At 2030, every time Dick, Harry, Susie, Pam, Kerry, and Rapus, Cow, Dog, Mouse, the whole of them have phone. Uno must can take one picture. I send people friend requests with Facebook avatar. Me nah add you. If you use a celebrity pic as your profile pic, me nah add you. Because the last time me check, Beyonce, Rihanna, and Halle Berry no come from Bakagan Trelawney. No send me no friend request with no damn celebrity picture. Speaking of pictures, you have some man when I have a no shirt, not in profile picture, and I send a next man friend request. You know what the next man I go pre and say? Dog, you're gay.
You're a homo.
Dog, you're gay. You're a homo. Yeah, you hear me? Bossy, go put on a shirt before you send no man no friend request. A flex muscle in a picture and that. What you do? Girls, you see if when you send me a friend request and me a review it and me a go to your profile and me happen to book up on you and your man all over the thing, me nah, sorry, me can't add you. Your purpose, you know, someone who might cheat on the man, but then you have the one them we not gonna do. And just to see it of being denied, any tuntun, me nah add you, yeah? Me nah add you if you then are some foreign country where we have no chance of ever meeting each other.
Uzbekistan.
And we will have no ties whatsoever. So I don't know why the hell you want me. My friend, let me tell you something, okay? I will not add you. If you're a member of the male species, I will not fucking add you. I have not sent a friend request to a female in the longest while, much less a man. Donkey years no me not send a friend request to a man. Far as me see, no send me no friend request if you a man, especially if me no know you in a no way, shape or form. No send me no friend request because me not add you. If we not have no mutual friends, me not add you like sugar to a diabetic's drink. That's how me not add you. If we have 1 to 14 mutual friends, I might review your friend request. But until then, until me bored and nothing to do, me go act like say me no see. 15 mutual friends and up. If your profile private, me not add you. When you send me the friend request, I'm a want to inspect you. If you see what kind of person you be and your profile private, that don't make no fucking sense. Me not add. Where you are RASS high? Where you high? Especially if you're a female and you go private your profile when you send me friend request, me need for at least be able to go through the pics. Can't add you if me don't know like how you look for real. Cause some of the girl you know love find one good pic and then send people friend requests. And when you go through the rest of the pic them now feel like flop looking sitting man. Some of the time and not even them, some of them go on other people's profile, hijack all 6, 7, 8 picture, then them allow you to see. And when you check it out now, I never really them. To avoid that, no private the damn profile when you send friend. Me nah. This might sound shallow, but I'm going to say it any goddamn way. If you're ugly, me nah add you. Me no care what you want to say, me nah add you. If you look like a Zutu peck, me nah add you. As far as me see it, you know, someone who me add already, uno get way. On my Facebook page, I believe I have earned the right to be the ugliest person on my goddamn profile. Now, if you are gonna send me friend request and go on like you want take first place, then me nah add you. It nah go happen. And someone who really bring some serious warmth to people profile. If you're old, and what we consider old is like 36, I will not add you. I don't really want nobody complaining about their midlife crisis on my Facebook wall. And just as how me say, if you're too old, me not add you. If you're too young, me not add you. Some of the young girls out there send Facebook friend requests to man 3-4 times in an age. Let me tell you this, no send them to me because me not add you. Zeal, me not add you. Go send a friend request to your textbook. If you're not 18 and up, thou will not be added onto my list of acquaintances. I will add almost anybody on Facebook, but if you don't pass the inspection, if I cannot inspect your profile, me not add you. Like the credit where you get on the last of the month, me not add you. Me not add you until the time is right. I will not add you, yeah? My friend, let me tell you something, okay? I will not add you. Just saying. There's a lot more individuals out there who I will not add. And just like how me now add some people, you have some people where I go get delete.
Idiot. Yes, man.